Is your Windows 11 acting like it's running through literal mud? Lagging, freezing, just stuck? Don't toss it yet. I'm going to show you how to fix that in literally seconds. Let's go. Step 1. Disable startup apps. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open it instantly. Then go to Startup Apps and disable anything you don't need launching when your PC starts up. This frees up RAM and can make Windows boot much faster. Step 2. The magic shortcut. If your screen is frozen right now, press Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus. Your screen may flicker for a second. Don't worry. That means Windows just restarted your graphics driver and cleared the glitch. And boom, your frozen screen could be fixed instantly. Step 3. Change performance settings. Press Win plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit OK. Now go to the Advanced tab under Performance, click Settings. Then select Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply. This will turn off extra visual effects and animations, giving you a faster, smoother Windows experience, just pure speed. That's it, your PC should be flying now. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.